In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log out your other devices on Instagram. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up your Instagram. Now after you open your Instagram, just go to your profile and on the top right you will see three lines. Tap on it and all you need to do is go to Account Center. Now after you're on your Account Center, just scroll down till you find Password and Security, and when you're there, under Security Checks you will see where you are logged in. Tap on it. Now select your account, and after you do that you will see under Logins on other devices a list of devices that you're logged into it. Now there you will see an option to select devices you want to log out from. Select that option and choose all the devices, and you can just log out from there. So it's that easy, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, just hit the like below and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. Bye bye, take care.